Good morning, students. Today I will tell you a story of the talkative barber. So long ago, a sultan whose name was Sariar ruled over a large kingdom. His queen was a good storyteller. Each night she would tell a story to the king. She narrated ancient Persian and Arabic folk stories. This is one of the stories from the Arabian Night. In the city of Kashgar lived a barber who was a great talker. Once the sultan called the barber to shave his head. The barber started talking non-stop instead of shaving him. The sultan got angry. When are you going to stop talking and begin to do your work? The barber replied, You do me an injury by calling me a chatterer. For everyone says, I am very quiet. I have 6 brothers whom you might call chatterers. Their names was Bagbone, Bagban, Bagbalia, Bagbag, Alcaz, Al-Nasi, and Sakabak. One is humpbacked, one is toothless, one is half blind, one is quite blind, one is deaf, and the other has a defect in his speech. And they all are great talker. But I am the youngest of my family, and I am very quiet and sparing with words. Give him 3 pieces of gold, says the Sultan. The Sultan cried, losing all patience, and sent him away. I will not be safe today. My master, cried the barber. It was not I who came to seek you. It was you who ordered me to come. So I will not quit your house till I have saved you. He then began narrating another story which lasted half an hour. Stop making your fine speeches and let me go quickly. I have an affair of the greatest importance. I have to go out at noon, said the Sultan. When he saw that the Sultan was really angry with him, the barber said, Oh master, do not be angry. I will begin to save you. Saying this, he washed the Sultan's head and began to shave. But he had not touched him even 4 times with the razor when he stopped and said, My master, you are acting hastily in this matter. Go on saving me, speak no more, ordered the Sultan. Be patient, said the barber. Perhaps you have not considered well what you were going to do. I wish you would tell me what this matter of great importance to all about, and then I will give you my opinion on it. Finish saving at once, the Sultan exclaimed, but instead of doing this, the barber left the Sultan half safe to go and see what time it was. My patience is exhausted, the Sultan cried. Be calm, my master, and you shall be saved in a moment, said the barber. And saying this, he continued saving the Sultan. But while he was doing this, he could not help talking. If you could inform me what this important affair is, I would give more advice which you might find useful, he said. The Sultan was completely fed up by now and decided to satisfy the barber. He told him that he was giving a feast to some friends at noon, which was why he was in a hurry to leave. When the barber heard the Sultan mention the feast, he exclaimed, That reminds me, yesterday I invited 4 or 5 friends to come to my house today, but I had quite forgotten it and have not made any preparation for him. The Sultan, who was at the mercy of the barber, was ready to do anything to be rid of him. Be quick and finish your work, the Sultan replied, and you shall have all the food that has been prepared for me. Please show me the food so that I may judge if it is enough for my 5 friends. I have enough food for you, the Sultan exclaimed. But he ordered that all the foods prepared for his feast be brought in. The barber looked over the food and said, This is very good, but I shall want some fruits for the dessert also. The Sultan, in desperation, since his head was half shaved, ordered that the fruit also be brought in. The barber left off, saving the Sultan to examine each dish separately. This took up half an hour. The Sultan stamped his feet impatiently, but the barber did not hurry. At length, however, he again took up the razor, but after a few minutes of work, stopped suddenly and cried, I never knew that you were so generous. Now come to new words. Chatterer means something, someone who talk a lot. Defect means a fault. Opinion means what a person feels about a person, things, or subject. Exhausted means tired and fed up. Dessert means a sweet dish served after the main meal. Examine means to look at something very carefully. At length means at a stretch. Now, let's give a quick look on its summary. A barber lived in the city of Kasgar. He was a great talker. Once the Sultan called him to shave his head. The barber started talking instead of shaving his head. The Sultan told him many times not to talk but to do his job. The barber did not pay any attention. He remained busy in talk. Now the Sultan got very angry. Seeing his anger, the barber washed the Sultan's head and began to shave. But soon he stopped saving and went out to see what time it was, leaving Sultan's head half shaved. The barber came back and resumed his work, but he wanted to know why the Sultan was in so hurry. He requested the Sultan again and again to tell him what important work he had in hand. The Sultan got fed up and told the barber that he had invited some friends to lunch. At this, the barber said that he too had invited four or five friends to come to his house that day. But he forgot it and had not made any preparation for them. The Sultan wanted to get rid of the barber. He told him to finish his work without any delay. He also offered him all the food that had been prepared for him that day. The barber started shaving his head again, but he stopped again and said that he never knew that the Sultan was so generous. Now, this is all about the story, The Talkative Barber. It is it is adapted from the Arabian Night book. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.